Shipping nous fait. Plus que... Nous perdons du 40, nous pas qu'à compter. Qui va le package calé jeudi. Nous pas qu'à compter. OK? Et nous gagnons... How many boxes do we have, Bells? 5? Nous gagnons 5. Nous gagnons 5 boîtes 750. OK? Qui allait. Nous gagnons 5 boîtes 750 qui allait. Merci beaucoup, mes amis. Merci à tout le monde qui était order cette share with Mamna. Share with Mamna, c'était un vraiment succès que lié. Et il y a un pile shipping qui pas de fait parce que nous sommes sold out. Nous avons seulement 500. 500 est sold out depuis semaine passée. So, sous tes ordres de zone 15 yo, package yo c'est jeudi que vous pouvez aller. OK, jeudi toute semaine là on a fait livraison pour reste mon yo. Et yo pas venir dans boîte parce que nous te dit nous avons 500 boîtes, après 500 boîtes là nous pas faire encore. So mes amis, merci beaucoup. Nous vendons plus que 2000. So merci beaucoup. Jeudi là nous fait tout effort nous voulons paquet aller. Merci. Okay guys, let's go. Let's start working. This is my team over here. I have my team with me. I have Veron, my little assistant. And I also have Bells. Bells, say hi to the camera. We tired. We exhausted. She's beautiful, guys. Oh, and she got a big ass too. And I also have my Precious. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Yeah, and I have the king over here. Say hi. What's up? Okay, guys. So shipment. Oh my God.
Woo, V.
Okay, we still have at least 900 more packages to send out. So today is just, it's okay, he can be on it.
He's blocking the shipping.
Don't block the shipping. Don't block it. You can't block the shipping. You can't. If you block the shipping, you block me.
Okay, we understand. No blocking shipping.
Hey, Papa, don't
It's the sun. It's the sun.
So, okay, what was I saying? Yeah, so guys, nous connaissons déjà 31 mai, spécial Mother's Day là, fini. Okay, so nous pas gen boîte encore comme j'aime se dire là, tablier passer prend pour là.
1, 2, 3.
You can end it.
What?
Oh, are you counting? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 5 boxes. Don't shop.com. Can we work? Really? You could have get a basket. We need Daddy's car too. We need all 3 cars. Already dirty. So, Poland. So we're doing shipping and so many of them we need all 3 cars. So guys, thank you so much again.
Oh my gosh, mommy. Help me, please.
There's at least 50 something packages in there. He's not down there? He must be.
Hi.
Come on, let's fill up these 2 cars until we get Daddy's car ready.
I can't carry this.
Veronica, put it from so.
Mommy, I'm serious.
All my food, all my money goes somewhere. Put the shrimp in it. Put your back to it, Vivi. This one. Oh, I forgot you're a man. Show me what you got, baby. Yeah, sexy. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Let's see. I don't think my truck can take more than like 2 baskets because they're very full.
Oh, gee. Here. Why do you have duct tape in your truck for? Who was you about to kidnap?
Ooh, that one. Damn. You're strong, boy. My mule me pa alone. Come on. My mule. Got a problem with my mule? Because I'm kidnapping people. Okay, 2 is enough for the trunk. It's not gonna take another one. You can just close it.
I hope I get ran over.
So let's put maybe 2 more in my back seat.
2?
Yeah, because for Veron has to sit. When we get to the post office, who's gonna put them inside if Veron is don't go? Go ahead, go help your sister.
Put the boxes in your car.
In whose car? Maybe it goes in your daddy's car. I don't know. Where's your dad?
He's downstairs.
Did you call him? Okay. Veron, come on, get the baskets. He's coming. So, yep. All filled up.
Alright, cool.
Did you close your trunk yet?
No.
Don't close it yet. I need to take a little video. Cool. We decided not to take 3 cars. We take 2 cars. Oh, that's my... I left a bag here too with my stuff.
You sure did.
Where is it?
It's inside in your fucking trash.
Thank you, bitch.
It's in the freaking trash.
I love how y'all talk to each other.
Can you open the trunk?
Why?
Because I want to take a video. Bagay ta fe nou. But gamon sou nou. Kondi Ralph kondi. Where's my car key? Guys, where's my car key? I think it's in the entrance table. Pamandem pumba to film. Ay, 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 ay. La mousable metem toutouni. Prodwi fait na shop.com. Blonde light, crème moment, crème qui baille solution, crème pour tache là, crème pour bouton, crème pour acné.
Let's do this, mother.
You ready?
Let's do this, mother.
You ready for the shipping?
Yeah.
What's today?
Today is, I think, Tuesday. Tuesday.
What's the date?
Tuesday, I think, like the 25th? Like the 26th?
26?
Yeah, I think so.
How about a kiss?
26, 2020.
What are we doing today?
Shipping.
That's right, we're doing shipping. Yeah. Guys, pas bliye, website là c'est blondedifeldinashop.com. Téléphone nous c'est 646 494 1516. Gon raison qui fait que tout le monde achète blonde light, gon raison qui fait que tout le monde demande blonde light, gon raison qui fait que tout le monde apprend PI là parce que c'est crème ça pas nan menti, ou pas besoin projecteur, ou pas besoin mettre poudre sous corps. Ou pas besoin go close it. Ou pas besoin masquer peau, ou pas sembler zombie, ou pas sembler mort monter live, ou semblant moun pas ka di ou observer avec produit, li pas chire peau, pas dévorer peau, li pas gen rien là-dedans qui pour faire mal que fort belle chérie. C'est même j'avais un nèg qui gen toute qualité. Pas ka faire rien mal que fort bien. Pas oublier ou ka passer sur www.blondedifeldinashop.com pour prendre blonde light pour la crème moment, crème solution sou gen acné, sou gen douette noir. Oreilles noires et nous avons spécial. Là, on achète un set pour $59 ou j'ai un autre set gratis pour partager ensemble avec maman. Et nous avons mini set là qui vendent seulement $99, $100. Mes amis, après 31, set avec maman a fini, il pas disponible encore sur kouri depuis qu'on y a al prend pour là parce que ou pas joindre ni encore. Après jeudi après 31 puis elle a fini puis pas oublier le 28 map live. You know what I mean? I will be live on the 28th. Don't miss me. So, guys, yeah. Oh my God. Careful.
The thing came off.
Come on, let's go. Vivi, take this basket, baby.
Is it heavy? It's not. Well, I gotta help you.
Oh my gosh.
We gotta work, baby. We gotta work.
No, we gotta hire a mailman to come to the house at a specific time every day so we can come get this. Because, Mommy, can you at least tell me this is very heavy and it's popping out?
Put it down.
What?
You know.
What? Mom, what are you talking about?
I don't want to mess up my back more. Don't you see I'm sleeping on the floor every night?
The queen.
It's not about queen. It's about my back.
My fucking back. My fucking hand.
I don't have a back, guys.
Shut this trunk. Thank you. So hot.
Come on.
Help me. Come on.
Here, I got
Help
it.
me.
Here.
Help me help
Oh,
you.
really?
Let's go.
Look at the woman finally doing her job.
I do all of the shipping. You guys can do the
We're not sumo wrestlers.
lifting.
What do you think we are?
Oh my God, this is crazy. Ugh. I think I should go wait in the car, guys.
It's packed. Pick up one basket and I think I should go wait in the car, guys.
It's unfortunate that you guys are wearing masks. I can see your face expressions. Belle, this is gonna be crazy putting them in the... We're gonna need at least 20 of those.
It don't matter what we do. We gotta get it done. Let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go. Let's fill up these things. Come on, Veron, get to work and put on your mask.
Where did baby go?
She said she needed to breathe.
Give her.
Yeah, don't fill them too much so when you're carrying them, they don't fall on the
We're
floor.
not carrying them over there.
Because it's hot in here.
Yeah, you can go
We're
outside,
carrying
get
them
some
right
air.
there.
Through this door?
She's gonna open the door. I'm not gonna open this door.
She's gonna open the door? She said that?
She's gonna push them in. They gotta be safe in there.
Hey, little miss.
It's overtime.
You see, that's what. What is she giving you? Those things?
Oh no. You should get on today and schedule pickup tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we have at least 500 more packages to send out.
You funny. You really funny. You are funny.
Put your nose thing.
You are very
And stop touching the door and touching your nose.
Oh, good.
You see, that's what I told you. That's what I told you to ask for. Huh? Yeah, you should have told her we have more than 300 packages, and then they would have gave it to you.
Do you guys want to bring them over here and I can put them on? Yeah, sure.
All right, guys, let's go.
What?
You can bring them to her, she said.
Oh, sorry, cameraman. I forgot.
Sorry, camera. Veronica called me a camera girl. Baby, don't be mean to your mother. What did she give us? Oh, this. This would have been nice, but even this won't take everything.
Yeah, I don't think so. Too much.
Next time, if you guys want, you can actually come to our back dock. That way we can wheel out with a hamper.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll probably be a little...
When we ask, they always say no. It's always a hassle bringing them in.
Yeah, next time just come in, let somebody know, and then we'll tell you go around to the back.
They say no.
Okay.
Every time they
They
say,
said no?
yeah, even to give us these, it's a hassle.
Oh, no. Listen. The easier the better.
Move your tongue.
You know better, Bills.
Yeah, move
Oh, yeah.
Si la vin nan pas office nan la, yo pa bo reglan yen paske business ou pa gen.
As long as you let somebody know, it shouldn't be an issue.
Okay, we'll do that next
We
time.
will be doing that.
Yeah, because they always say no. I don't know.
Want this?
Yes,
Okay, let me...
we want this basket. Thank you.
I'm not going to put
Mm-hmm. You can do it, baby. You can do it.
What? I was about to take all... Last week, what's that?
I'm not sure, but the guy said it was probably busy. I don't know.
What's the address for the pickup?
602 Sherman Court.
All right, babies.
Thanks, cameraman.
So proud of you. I'm gonna buy everybody ice cream.
Oh.
Free ice cream for all of you, my workers.
Yeah, all right.
You better buy me a car or something. Huh?
Buy you a car. You have a car. What do you mean buy you a car?
Oh, we just left.
Yeah, we have to give them to her. Go give them to her.
Sorry.
You guys are not done. Go. Thank you so much. Now we have to carry this. You, Veron and Veronica, come on, let's go. Hey, I'm not playing with y'all. Quit playing. Come on, let's go. There's a woman coming in. There's a other. Veronica, that's not polite.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
Good job.
Okay, guys, give me 5. Everybody, give me 5. Give me 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Shit is real.